Hello, welcome to our financial YouTube channel, Finsavvy USA. So you've got some USDT sitting in your OKX wallet. Sounds simple, right? But here's the catch. You've got the seed phrase ... and that's where things get tricky. You're wondering, how do I get that crypto over to Binance safely without risking it all? What's the best way to transfer my USDT without losing control or making a costly mistake? Imagine this. You've got USDT sitting in your OKX wallet, and you're ready to make the move to Binance to take advantage of some new trading opportunities. But there's one small problem. You're not quite sure how to safely and quickly transfer your funds. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll walk you through the easy, step-by-step process of transferring your USDT from OKX to Binance, and we'll do it securely. Alright, let's dive right into it. First things first, make sure you're logged into your OKX wallet. Whether you're using the web or app, the process is the same. If you're not using OKX directly, you can import your wallet into another management tool like MetaMask or Trust Wallet with your seed phrase. But remember, your seed phrase is like the key to your kingdom. Never share it with anyone. Once you're in, locate your USDT balance. If it's sitting on the Ethereum network ERC-20, don't worry, Binance supports that. Same goes for TRC-20 or BEP20. Choose the one your USDT is on. Next, head over to your Binance account, log in, and go to Wallet greater than Fiat and Spot. Find USDT and click on Deposit. Here's the trick. Make sure the network you select matches your USDT's network. If it's Ethereum ERC-20, pick ERC-20. If it's Binance Smart Chain BEP20, select BEP-20. Copy the deposit address. Now, back to OKX. Find the send or transfer option for your USDT and paste that deposit address from Binance into the recipient address field. Double check the amount, make sure the address is correct, and hit send. After that, you'll be asked to confirm the transfer. OKX will prompt you to complete any security steps, like to FA or email confirmation. So don't skip those. Once the transaction is confirmed, your USDT will be sent to Binance. The transfer can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour depending on the network load. But once it's confirmed, voila, your USDT is safely in your Binance wallet. A couple of important things to keep in mind before we wrap up. Network mismatch. Always select the correct network on both OKX and Binance. If you send ERC-20 USDT to a BEP-20 address, you might lose your funds, transaction fees. There's usually a small fee, so factor that in when making your transfer. Now, if your USDT doesn't show up in Binance right away, don't panic. Double check that the networks match and look up your transaction ID on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. That'll show you exactly where your funds are at any given moment. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your USDT from OKX to Binance like a pro. Now you're ready to jump into your next big trade. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who needs help with their crypto transfers. And hey, if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I'll make sure to help you out. Until next time, happy trading. See you in the next video.